Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Grover Beach, local and long distance movers near me. We provide the right, reliable, long distance moving solutions to help make your move a lot simpler. No matter how far you need to relocate, our expert team of movers will make it so much easier. The best moving services make all the difference, and our experts offer just what you require for your upcoming move. Along with the basic long distance moving solutions, we also provide all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Whenever you need to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the cost might seem challenging. A closer look at the benefits you get from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a wise decision. A reliable moving company is going to really help you save time no matter how far you're relocating. It will also keep you from having to take care of heavy lifting. Our team makes it very easy to get to your new location without nearly as much worry. With a local moving company like 3 Movers, you get a more efficient move. Even if your move is big enough that it may take you all week, we can get it done in less than a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Grover Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.